video, which is now getting like good
I
looking.
want that Beyblade.
Okay, so if you want the battlefield, just link below. We will do I will snap my fingers, then it will come. So, is it time?
Is it time to open?
Okay, so
Let's take out all the fingers. Tell me if you need a trash can. You know, I wouldn't do that when I was you. Thinking I'm not you.
my lunch is here.
My other one like kinda meow.
Guys, it's like Mariam only. So this is my Beyblade.
This is my baby.
I'm giving
I
my one.
want this.
I got 2 of this.
I
Wait.
want this one.
So this one,
This is our launcher. Our purple launcher.
Dora 8 bra. Okay, so
I have another one, but
this
that's
one,
in the car. It's called the Judgment.
that ancient 3D desk. Okay, so this one is called
I'll take the green color.
Hazard Bowus 7-8.
Actually, no.
Okay, done.
Okay, let's now open our Beyblade.
It's now getting like so good. Like people like Toy Series is running out of it.
Yes, they want to collect 5 Beyblades. And if you have Beyblades, it's good luck. You also need a stadium, or else they will just be spinning on your head. Actually, they won't spin on your head.
They will drop.
Yeah.
Do you even think before you say that? Slap my finger?
Not yet, okay? You need to open it. Okay, let's open this wrapper.
Wait, it's so hard for me. Oh,
That's safe.
alright.
Yeah.
Oh, that's another one.
Yeah, they're sneaky.
Yeah, baby.
I don't know which one you get, but I'm probably hoping for this one. Because I like that one. It's a little for like girls. Let me try more stuff. Oh my moly.
Holy camole.
Okay, this is my poo.
Your poo!
Yeah, poo. Okay,
But I need to use this.
Hard.
I want to stick the sticker, but yeah.
Sure, I'll help you. I'm not using this for the battle, of course. I'm using other stuff. Here, this is mine.
Hey, I assembled that.
Yeah, but actually this is mine. I'm probably hoping. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of black boxes. Oh my god.
I have legendaries.
Wait.
We live in a pineapple. Will be fun.
I cannot open it. No.
Okay, is there any more? Yes, they have. No, I don't think so.
No, there's not.
I'm just gonna keep the box for now since they have
Here
eruption.
is.
Oopsie, I kind of tear it.
Here what? Do you know how to read instructions?
Yes. They just go blah 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 blah.
Something blah 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 blah. They don't go like blah 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 blah. You go like blah 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 boo boo.
You go gaga goo goo then.
I think I got this.
Or you go cuckoo.
This one. I'm probably sure.
Ah!
Yes, I got a Beyblade.
You got a tiny one.
No, all of them are like your size. And why do you even ask a tissue can be a Beyblade too? You know, tissues are just tissues.
Let me use this barber. Dingy-ma-diggy.
No, actually it's actually not a bobble.
It's a barber. You know, barber shop scissors.
This is a bobble shop scissors. You don't know? Something like this, look. You don't know.
Okay, there's no shop things.
You know, bobble shop is like that. You are a bobble.
You say barber.
You are papa. You are a papa. I'm going to open
Okay.
the stuff.
The hard part is
How do you know?
I saw it on the packet. Wait with them to it.
They got no names.
Okay, is it random booster wall 11? Wow, that's your obvious name.
Yeah, probably very obvious name. Okay, give me the scissors. I need to use the scissors.
Wait, I need to use it.
What is
Try the other one.
I got it. That's a bubble chop. That's a bubble chop scissors. Why do you even keep bubble chop scissors, Daddy? So funny.
Maybe because he cut my head off.
Yeah.
Well, okay, the first Beyblade.
Beyblade! It's Beyblade. You don't know this, stupid.
I know.
Why do you say Beyblade in the first place then?
Okay, this is hard. Assembling is hard.
Okay. You know what? Later on we'll ask.
Wait, the cat!
Get away! Here's a here.
It says here.
Oh my gosh, you need to spell it and squish it.
Oh, I think I know how to assemble my Beyblade.
I don't know how to.
Mine! I finished one!
I don't know how to disassemble babe. I don't know what are these. Maybe the
So this is the symbol of the Beyblade. Okay, so just gonna put here. She's 8. Wait, 9. She's 6. Ayo, the cat is busybody. Why is the cat there?
And I know what's this black card. So thin. And I got this stuff. Just pull it.
It smells like the package where I get my aeroplane.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, guys, I want to tell you. When you go
Comments down below. She stinks. At Minecraft. I will do a new channel. It's Minecraft channel. One, she's gonna play with me. If
Guys.
fall, I will
Guys.
prank her in her world.
Guys, do you remember that when his mom he likes to buy a lot of airplane toys? I guess what is this?
Wait, the fire one is hot.
The fire one?
Yes.
Oh, because the fire on your hand.
Ah!
What is this anyway? I
It's
don't
hot
know.
though.
Use the scissors. Oh, you don't need to cut that stuff. You don't want to cut your Beyblade.
Comments down below. How do you
Even open it. You got to tell us, please.
This is so easy, this one.
Okay.
The green one.
We got
Assemble
these.
button.
Later
I
I'll
will
show
let-
you that.
We will later, I will snap my fingers and go. It will just teleport to me.
Okay, I'll get it.
Yeah.
This you
Cool.
got
Yeah.
card.
Wait,
It's
what are they?
so
Oh, they have stickers. Yay, they have stickers.
mine also got stickers.
Out of the sky.
See, mine also
And
got
they
stickers.
smell.
I'm going to see how to put out the stickers. I guessed we
This is the original one.
What? Gosh, I can only do like this. And I got more of these actually. I don't want to put the stickers. I want to disassemble everything. How do you even disassemble? How do you disassemble?
Oopsie.
Probably wherever you are, you have to get this. It's very cool, right?
No.
It is cool.
Yes. There's a channel also.
Yeah, there's a channel of
In
Beyblade.
Disney XD.
There, you try to build it. I cannot build it.
Ayo, I'm just sticking stickers.
But while you're sticking stickers, I'm going to show them about this. Okay. I'll show you. Okay, so you really need this. This is a launcher. That's
Woohoo!
show you about the big base for you.
Oh, this is the about the blue Beyblade.
Baby. Okay. You got
The sticker.
Can you stick the sticker?
I'm doing to my wall
What's my one?
at the green side.
I want to do this because you're not the boss of me. I'm probably going to use my own. That looks good.
You mean I destroyed yours?
Yeah, probably you're not going to win on this.
Don't even take a my Beyblade.
Beyblade. It's Beyblade, not Beyblade. I know Beyblade for like 10 days or something like
I know Beyblade before.
Beyblade. What is it? You know?
I already watched Beyblade.
Beyblade? It's Beyblade. What is actually Beyblade? With Beyblade. It doesn't look good. It kind of matches color. I'll put a star. What do I look at? Okay, I'm trying to disassemble my Beyblade. Is that how you assemble? This is a cool of these. This the bottom is they won't move, but this stuff will move because it needs to go like this, and it will sound like a motorbike, of course. I have scissors. Of course, this. This is the Toy Car version. This is not, but probably buy it at Toy Store.
Finally, I stick the wolf already.
The woo! Once you okay, I'll show you this. Oh my gosh, guys! You got to plug it in
This is
up
not-
or down. Who are you looking at, guys?
Broke.
Is it on broken? No, I need you to fix it again.
Comment down below. She don't smile a lot. Even at
Dude! How dare you say that? It's rude, guys. If you do that, it's very rude. Don't you dare do that.
do it. If you are a YouTuber, I can subscribe to your channel.
I will also subscribe to your.
You always subscribe to Cool. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Let's rip. My one is the wolf will win. But the rip. But it was upside down. Beyblade. Let's go. Actually, it said, let's rip.
Okay.
Your channel.
She got.
I like the player.
Okay.
Let's rip. It's working. Let's.
That is on my motorcycle.
Not working, mine. Maybe it's too sticky.
I'm not ready.
Wow, my one is good. Thank you guys. We actually didn't got it, so next time.
See, bye-bye to Mr. Kitty.
Get away! Don't forget to subscribe. But wait. Bye. Subscribe to our channel, Ronen. Please hit the like button and the bell. Hope you enjoy this video.